between the person that sketched an outfit and the person that brought it to life, who is the owner of the design? You understand? So this argument has been making rounds on social media because of the Jarvis clothes. You understand? His birthday clothes. So there is a difference between a tailor and a designer. You understand? The designer owns the outfit. Now, who is the designer in this case? The person that sketched these outfits gave you the kind of, told you the kind of material to use, gave you the measurement as well. That person is the owner of the outfits. You understand? So you were the tailor in this case because we are working under the description that the person gave you. You understand now? So the person gave you is something to look at and deliver the outfit, which is the sketch. You understand? So you are following the sketch that someone gave you. You understand? Now you bought the material that this person also told you to buy. You understand? Or gave you something that looks like it, give you a description of the kind of material he wants for the outfit, which is what you bought. You understand? So that simply tells you that you are following the order of someone, and your own work there was to bring that outfit to light and to life, and you were paid fully for it. You understand now? So it is immaterialistic saying that you did not know that the clothes was for Jarvis and you would have increased your price. That's not the point here. You understand? No designer is going to tell you, see, this cloth is for so and so person. Your own is look at the sketch of what I want, bring it to life. How much will it cost? And you gave the price and you were paid fully for it. You understand now? So you are not the owner of that outfit because you are employed as a tailor to bring it to life, and that is where your job ended. You understand now? So the person that had the direct contact with the owner of the outfit was the designer. You understand? So the owner of the outfit, that's the celebrant, which is Jarvis in this case, gave the designer a description or an explanation of what she wanted, and then this designer brought it to life, by sketching it. You understand? The first step of bringing an outfit to life is the person that sketched it. You understand? So he is the one that brought it to life. Now remember that if he brought this outfit to you and you could not deliver, he's going to give it to another person to do the same job. You understand? So that also means that if you were not able to deliver that outfit with the exact material he told you and the exact description that was given, you would have been dropped, and the job will also be given to another person until that outfit is delivered to the test of who gave you the design. So this is not even supposed to be an argument. You are not the owner of the outfit. Simple. The designer, the person that sketched it, is the owner. Your job was just to draw. Sorry, your job was just to bring it to life. The drawing, follow the drawing and bring it to life. And that's what you did, and you were paid for it. Simple.